So in my previous video, you guys saw me using this device as my admin device to control the Raspberry Pi war driving rig, and a bunch of people were asking what this is. Well, this is the Hackberry Pi sold by Elecro, and it's pretty much an expansion module that turns the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 or 5 into a portable computer a bit larger than an old phone. Right now I have Kali Linux running on this because the person who designed the Hackberry Pi pre-built this image to already function with the keyboard and the display, so I don't have to set anything up, and it already comes with most of the tools I would expect to use on the Raspberry Pi anyway. A lot of people buy this as an alternative to the Clockwork Pi U console, mostly because when you order this, it can take months for it to show up, versus when you order this, it can show up in a week or two, depending on where you are in the world. This one is a bit more intuitive to use just because of the keyboard. This one, not so much. You kind of have to know how the keyboard works when you want to start typing things on it, especially if you're working with the Linux command line. You can do a lot of things with this. You can do war driving, other Wi-Fi analysis. If you want to straight up run Wireshark, you can run SDR++ to do some raw radio analysis. So things like the RTL SDR v4 work great with this device. So right now I have SDR++ running on the Hackberry Pi, and I'm using my RTL SDR v4 tuned to 915 MHz. And if I were to turn on an RF emitter like this TBS controller right here, which is tuned to 915 MHz, you could then see the raw radio traffic showing up on this waterfall display. This is just a small example of what you can do with this device, but things like this are why I find it so cool.